Welcome to Kanidam channel. Today we see basic geometrical ideas exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Use a figure to name. The figure is given. A part. We have to find 5 points. The 5 points are D, E, O, B and C. O, B and C. D, E, O, B, C. B part. A line. A line extends indefinitely in both the direction. So, we have to find one line. EB. EB is a line. D is a line. EB is a line. So, EB is a line. C part. 4 rays. Ray starts at one point and goes endlessly in one direction. So the 4 rays are OD is one ray, OE is a ray, OC is a ray and OB is a ray. OD, OE, OC, OB. D part. 5 line segments. A line segment has 2 fixed endpoints. The 5 line segments are D is a line segment, EO is a line segment, EB is a line segment, OC is a line segment, DB is a line segment. DE, EO, EB is a line segment, OC is a line segment, DB is a line segment. Question number 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So the figure given, we have to find the line in all possible 12 ways. So AB is a line, AC is a line, AD is a line, BA is a line, BC is a line, BD is a line, CA is a line, CB is a line, CD is a line, DA is a line, DB is a line, DC is a line. So, AB, line AC, line AD, line BA, line BC, line BD, line CA, line CB, line CD, line DA, line DB, line DC. Question number 3. Use a figure to name. A part. Line containing point E. The line containing point E are AE, line A, line BE or DE. So line containing point E is DE. Line DE. B part. Line passing through A. Line passing through A is AD. Line AD. C part. Line on which O lies. Line on which O lies? OC. OC. Line OC. D part. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. The 2 pairs of intersecting lines are AE and OC, BE and EF, or DE and EF. So 2 pairs of intersecting lines are AE and OC, BE, line BE and line EF. Question number 4. How many lines can pass through A part one given point? In one given point, infinite lines can pass. So the answer is countless. How many lines can pass through two given points? Two given points, only one line can pass. So answer is only one line. Question number 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. A part. Point P lies on AB. Line segment AB. So, draw a line segment AB and the point P lies on line segment AB. B part. Line XY and line PQ intersect at M. So, draw a line XY and PQ. So, XY and PQ intersect at M. Question number 3. C part. Line L contains E and F but not D. So, draw a line L and mark the point E and F but not D. So, the point D is outside the line. D part. Line OP and line OQ meet at O. Draw a line OP and OQ. O, P and OQ. So, OP and OQ meet at O. Question number 6. Consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether the following statements are true or false in context of the given figure. A part. Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. So, the statement is true. B part. M, O, N are points on a line segment MN. M, O, N are points on a line segment MN. So, the statement is true. C part. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. The statement is true. D part. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. So, the statement is false. E part. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. So, the statement is false. F part. M is point on ray OP. So, the ray OP is OP. M is point on ray OP. M is not point on ray OP. So, the statement is false. G part. Ray OP is different from ray QP. This is ray OP and this is ray QP. So both are different. So the statement is true. H part. Ray OP is same as ray OM. This is ray OP. This is ray OM. So this is ray OP is same as ray OM. So the statement is false. Ray OP is not same as ray OM. The statement is false. I part. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. This is ray OM. This is ray OP. Ray OM is opposite to ray OP. But the question asks ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. So the statement is false. J part. O is not an initial point of OP. O is the initial point. O is the initial point for ray OP. But the statement is O is not an initial point of OP. So the statement is false. K part. N is the initial point of NP and NM. N is the initial part of NP and NM. So the statement is true.